We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at the 2-bedroom apartment 610. Let's head on in. This is a top floor apartment, so we're on floor number 6 of a 6th floor building. And as we enter, I like this counter bar that's over here in the kitchen. This number 10 style apartment is the only unit that will have this feature. And as we come into the kitchen, you can see this one has an L-shaped kitchen that wraps around right in the entrance of the apartment. So you can see the stove, the dishwashers under the sink, there's a sprayer on the sink, microwave, refrigerator, and there's some assorted cabinets and drawers. So that's a cute kitchen setup in here. This is different from the other kitchens that we've seen throughout the building and the other 2 bedrooms. As we pass by, we'll come into the main part of the apartment. That door on the left is the bathroom door, so let's take a peek in there really quick. The bathroom is like the others that we've seen in the building, so you've got that standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and you can see the cabinets on the wall pretty well over here. There are 2 cabinets on the wall in this 2-bedroom unit. Here's the living room space. You've got your seating areas. There's a dining table and chair, some tables. You can see the air conditioner underneath the window. Each room will have its own individual air conditioner and as well individual heating units with their own controls. Let's go take a peek out the window. This is a really bright apartment. We are up on the top floor, so it's pretty high up. This one is facing north. You can see Cuga Lake over out in the distance to our left over there. We'll get another view of that as we go into the bedrooms. Let's go over. There are 2 bedrooms here. They are right next to each other. So they're adjoining. We're gonna go over to the left and go into bedroom 1 first. So we're a corner unit. That means we're on the corner of the building. So we have west and north facing views. So this room looks directly to the west. As you go in, you remember that the 2-bedroom apartments in the bedrooms will always have the dresser, the bookshelf, the desk and chair, and there's a closet in the room. There are mini blinds, there's an air conditioner. There are deadbolt locks on both doors, and we're facing west here. You can see it's in the later afternoon, so you can see we've got a lot of sun coming in. Let's go take a look out this window. All right, so we can see over Collegetown Plaza, which is the building next door. Over to the left is south, so we've got some beautiful valley views, and you do also get the lake views from this one. Over to our right, you can see Cuga Lake over that way. That's the south end of the lake. Let's go on over to the other room. We'll pass by the closet quickly and get that open for you. So there's a closet with your hanging space. Okay. So let's go into room number 2 here in the apartment. So this room is the one that faces to the north, so it's got a beautiful lake view. And again, the same furnishings. I like how they've set the furniture up in here with the desk as you come in, the bookshelf over here, and the dresser at the end of the bed. We also have a closet. Let's take a look around at the dresser. And then we'll look out the window. So again, we're in central Collegetown. We're on Dryden Road. So this is facing north, and you can see the lake really well from here. We're gonna zoom in so you can get a nice view of the lake. So that's the south end of Cuga Lake. That's a really great view to have here. And this is a great spot in the building. So up on the top corner of the building, so you can see up Dryden Road. So you've got people watching, you've got the lake view. This is definitely one of the best views in the building. This is a popular layout of apartment. This number 10 style we have on floors 2 through 6. And again, it's a corner. This is a 6th floor elevator building. We're located at 151 Dryden Road and here in central Collegetown at Collegetown Center. So that's a look at apartment 610. And right here in Collegetown Center, we are 1 block from campus.